Okay, thank you. So firstly, hello everybody. We are students of Qhemal Stafa High School. You can see the slide on the map. Firstly, I would like to start our presentation with a quote that water is life's matter and matrix, mother and medium. There's no life without water, and we would not even exist if there was no water. So we gotta save water, save the nature, and save our life. And do you know that over the past 40 years, the world's population has doubled and the use of water has quadrupled? While now 780 million people live without clean drinking water. And in the future, in 2050, increased population will result in 90% increase in agricultural water consumption. But what do we propose? We propose an eco-friendly wastewater treatment to reuse rainwater. Why rainwater? To meet the rising demand of water needs, to raise the water table underground, to reduce the soil erosion, to prevent and to reduce the water bills, to reduce water flow into the sea in coastal places. And it would be more energy efficient because the water capture and the storage requires no energy and it's practically free. The only cost is to collect it and to treat it. And it's this slide about the benefits. Now my partner Isak is going to talk about the way it works.
Okay, now let's talk about the way it works. So the water is collected from the roof of the house and it's stored into an underground cistern beneath it. This water will serve to flush the toilets, and then the wastewater that comes from the house will flow into the settling tank where the solids will settle as sludge, while the remaining part of wastewater will flow into the flow equalization tank. What it does is that it evenly releases water to the next process, which is the main one. It is the wetland cell. So in this wetland cell, there are bacteria growing in the root of the plant that clean the water from the pollutants and odorous gases. Then the water flows into the level adjust basin, which basically controls the amount of water that comes from the wetland cell. Then this water flows to the trickling filter, where it is cleaned from ammonia, nitrogen, and many other substances.
15 seconds, guys.
Okay, so this is the way it works. And then all this water goes to the drip irrigation system used to water the landscape around the house.
Thank you. Do you want to say last sentence?
Yes, I gotta conclude.
One last sentence, Elda, go on.
Okay, so we might not be able to fix our past, but we can build a better future if we work all together. It's the time to change and we should do it right now.